Hello, and welcome to a thrilling exploration into the world of artificial intelligence, or AI as we often call it. This incredible technology is shaping our future, powering everything from the smart assistants in our homes to self-driving cars on our roads. But what really is AI, and how does it manage to do what it does? Today, we're going on an adventure to unravel the mysteries of AI, breaking down complex ideas into easy-to-understand snippets. By the end of this journey, you'll not only grasp how AI works, but also appreciate its potential to revolutionize our world. So buckle up and let's get started. Imagine a computer that can think, learn, and make decisions just like a human. That's the dream of AI. But it's not all about robots taking over the world. It's about creating smart technology that makes our lives easier. At the heart of AI are two key ideas: machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is like teaching a computer to recognize patterns by showing it lots of examples. Just like you learn to identify fruits as a kid by looking at different ones over and over, computers learn from data. The more data they see, the smarter they get. Deep learning goes even deeper. It's a special type of machine learning that uses something called neural networks, which are designed to mimic the way our brains work. This allows computers to understand and interpret complex data, like the content of a photo or the meaning of a sentence, in a way that was never possible before. At its core, AI learns from data using algorithms. Think of data as the fuel for AI and algorithms as the engine that powers it. For AI to learn something new, it needs to be fed lots of data. This could be anything from images, text, or sounds, depending on what we want it to learn. The algorithms are like a set of instructions that tell the AI how to process this data. They help the AI look for patterns and make sense of what it's seeing. Over time, as the AI is exposed to more and more data, it gets better at recognizing these patterns and making predictions. This process is a lot like learning to cook by following recipes and then tweaking them based on what works best. Neural networks are what make deep learning possible. Imagine a vast network of tiny processors all working together to solve a problem. These networks are inspired by the neurons in our brain and can learn to recognize patterns in data by themselves. When data enters a neural network, it passes through layers of these processors. Each layer picks out different features of the data, starting with the simplest and moving to the more complex. By the time the data has passed through all the layers, the neural network has a detailed understanding of what it's looking at. This is how I can learn to identify everything from your face to the words you're saying. Let's take a closer look at how these concepts are applied in the real world with the example of facial recognition technology. The journey begins with gathering a vast array of face images. This collection serves as the data set that the AI will learn from. The AI examines these images, learning to notice features that distinguish one person's face from another, such as the distance between the eyes or the shape of the jawline. With each new image it processes, the AI refines its ability to recognize these features, improving its accuracy. However, this process is not without its challenges. The AI might make mistakes, especially early on. It might confuse two people with similar features or struggle to recognize someone in different lighting. That's where the iterative process of learning comes in. By continuously training the AI with more images and adjusting the algorithms based on its successes and mistakes, we can greatly enhance its accuracy and reliability. Despite the remarkable capabilities of AI, it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest issues is bias. If the data used to train an AI system isn't diverse enough, the system might make biased decisions. This is a significant concern in applications like facial recognition, where a lack of diversity in the training data can lead to inaccuracies across different ethnic groups. Privacy is another hot topic in the world of AI. With AI systems requiring vast amounts of data to learn, there's an ongoing debate about how this data is collected, used, and protected. Ensuring the privacy and security of user data is crucial. Ethical considerations also play a critical role as AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives. Questions about responsibility, accountability, and the moral implications of AI decisions are at the forefront of discussions about how we develop and deploy AI technologies. As we wrap up our journey through the realm of artificial intelligence, It's clear that AI is a powerful and transformative technology. With the ability to learn, adapt, and improve over time, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most challenging problems. However, as we continue to advance in this field, it's essential to navigate the ethical, privacy, and bias-related challenges that come with it. By understanding how AI works and actively addressing these issues, we can harness AI's potential in a way that benefits all of humanity. What are your thoughts on artificial intelligence? Are there any aspects of AI you're curious about or concerned with? Let's start a conversation in the comments below. If you found this video informative and engaging, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.